Hey William, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Do you mind if I record this conversation for our records later?
Of course.
Cool, so I'll turn it on. Perfect. So I wanted to discuss the data sheet with you today very briefly. It's a very simple design for the developers that are going to be at our conferences in the next few months. So we talk about our products here, the network layer that we offer here, and then a little bit about the industries and the customers that use us globally. What do you think about the design?
I really like the design. For the industries using Agora, I believe we have more clients across different industries using our product. I will need to double check with my team to see if they have more industries to add on.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and add a comment here so you can remember later, and then we can reiterate the design once we get the feedback from the team.
Okay,
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time, William. I'll send a recording to you as well, and we'll be in touch.
sounds good.
Bye.
Bye-bye.